Ladies and gentlemen, this first match is scheduled for one fall with a 15-minute time limit. Introducing first, weighing in at 235 pounds from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, being accompanied to the ring by the Juggalos, he is Hatchet Jack Jekyll. And his opponent weighing in at 285 pounds, he is from Charlottesville, Virginia. He is Monster Ivan Ali!
It's on now!
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee this evening will be Dustin.
MIA! 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 MIA!
So, big man, do we have history? You got it. If I do recall, I'm the reason why you don't have that internet championship.
Oh!
Pay for it tonight.
That's right! Get him!
Get him!
Watch these juggalos, ref! Get him, MIA! Oh! Yeah! How you like that, juggies? There's only one set of jugs I like! Yeah, maybe more than one set! Oh! Down to 3, I heard the juggalos counting. Kill him, MIA! Oh, that is bad leg! Oh! You okay, MIA?
Come on now.
Watch those guys, Ray! Watch them!
Huh? Huh?
That one looks like he's trying to go chicken hunting. Watch him.
Guess what?
Oh, come on! MIA! 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 MIA!
He can't stand no cheering.
Shut up! He doesn't need to stand to beat you! Ric Flair would never go to the gathering! No! Come on, MIA, let's go!
Come on,
that was three! That was three!
Yeah.
Get up! Yeah, don't give up, man! Ref, come on, that was 3 outs! Yeah, how you like that? That's it, break psychedelic records in half! Let's go! Come on, man. Come on, Ref, get off his leg. He's on the ropes, Ref, come on! Come on. Come on, M.I.A. Slide him back! Get him out the corner, man! Let's go! Come on! 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not dumb enough to get myself disqualified twice. Yes, you're stupid. You are stupid. Okay. Let's go, M.I.A. Yeah, big clothesline, Daddy. That might be it. 1, 2. Oh. 2. 2. Get him, M.I.A. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that's it. Oh. That might be it. Yes. 1, 2. Oh. That was a 3, right?
Let's go, Ninja.
He's no ninja, I can see him. Yeah, finish this fake ninja off. He's a ninja. Oh. 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 What? It was. It was. Get him, ninja.
Get him out of the corner. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, he's alright. Hey, I have all the right to do whatever I want. This tall son of a bitch. You know what? You're going for a ride, big boy. Oh! Yes! He wants a cat! Check him out! Yes! Oh!
There you go. He's 1, 2.
Oh! Oh, Rabbit! What the hell? Come on! Is this Rabbit Juggalo? Oh my God! Come on! That's gotta be it! 2, 3, yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Master Ivan